Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create an isometric room in Sweet Home 3D. Today we're going to make a bedroom. But first, we have to make sure you download the latest version by going to the sweethome3d.com, click download and download the latest version. This version is 6.5. Also, you also download the models here. There are 8 models here. There are 8 packs of model. You should download all this, then unzip and install it. Next, the textures. The textures is really important. You download 2 of the packages here, 1.2. And the last thing, select the plugin install and you download the Java rendering 1.4.4. Okay, let's go. We create the wall first. About 4 room. To make the room, just select the icon and then double click. Now I want to make the room transparency by right click on the 3D view or Ctrl Shift F. Slide the slider to the right, to the middle. Click OK. You see? We move to the bedroom. Let's see what is the bedroom. Well, I will have a shower cabin here. This one or this one. No, maybe this one. Alright. No, we change the direction. Like this. Alright, really nice. But I think this bedroom is really big. Maybe 3 and 3. I'm sorry. Okay, here we go again. Next, we'll add a basin or wash basin. Let's see. Vanity. I will set the vanity here. It's so good. How about a bathtub? Really nice. And the toilet. Of course, there will be a toilet here. Over there. How about the toilet paper? Here. You can hold the alternate key and drag up or drag down to zoom in or zoom out. Alright, I have some towel here. And elevate right here. Okay, let's do the basic like this. I will add some corner shelf here. You go to the bedroom, we find a corner shelf. Click and drag. No, change the direction. Yes, that's it. Like this. Right click, copy, and Control V, and elevate like this. How about the bed? The bed, yeah, the mat. The bed mat. Select, and drag it. This one and this one. How about the fans in the bedroom? You go to the My Shell listener. You look for the fan. Click and drag it like this. Okay. I will put some plan here. I will have some sample here. Let's see. So if you wanna put the soap in the below shell, we have to select the corner shell on the upper shell and hide it. We select and drag into the shell like this, and like this, and this one too. It's easy, right? Okay, time for the material. We double click on the floor. In the floor, select texture and select this one icon. I will choose the dark ceramic tile. I like this one. How about the ceiling? We don't have a ceiling here. Shiny. Click OK. Then we have this. Beautiful, right? Next step, we will lower the wall here by select it, shift and select it, right click, modify walls. I'll change it into 1.2 like this. Okay, and I will have a door here to make the door to the wall. Invisible box here. Click and try it. I will modify the width here. 2.9, is it okay? No. 0.8. That's good. That's really good here. I want to modify one more thing. The texture. I will go with the one. Yeah. Okay, and okay. Like this. How about this one? You should choose the left side here. So to the right side here. Okay. Now time for render. Return React photo with Array. This is the plugin we installed before. We turn off this ceiling line. 800. I always go with 2.3 ratio. And the time is 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. is the best here. We create. It's really nice, but inside a little bit dark, so I will ingredients inside by putting some light source here. We go to the light. White light source here. Change the size to 1.9, the power to 10, and elevation is 1. Okay. Like this. Control, drag it, the copy like this. Let's see. Yeah, it's much better. It's much better. How about the best quality? The best quality will may take a lot of time to render, but it's really beautiful. It's not right, but about the bathtub here, I think I will change it. Select, delete. I will go to the shower cabin here. We change the direction like this. Okay. And let's see with the bathtub here. Okay. We modify the white wood here to the texture. Wood. This much better. How about the shell? Drag it, select, modify, to the texture. Click OK. We can also add the type here by right, copy, select the second shell, right, and paste the style. You can see here, it's done. It's so easy. We are done here. One more thing, we will reselect the view, turn, react, and try it again. You see, it's much better. The glass is better, and the water effect here is also better. Okay. When everything okay, right-click. We store the point of view here. Got number 1. When you are satisfied with all the detail, go for the 4 quality or the best quality and change it to the best one here. I recommend that you should try over 1000 pixels or maybe 2000, 4000, but it will take a lot of time. Let's see. It's done. Now click save. Let's see. Here we go. 1280. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much.